going to do it again. Handrail. Gonna put another handrail on the new trailer. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take, okay, so yes, this handle here, I'm taking that handle off. I'm gonna put it at this door. Instead of buying two new ones, I'm gonna put that handle down here because I still like that handle. It's a good handle to get. And this door is not gonna get used as much. It's just like, hey, at least it'll provide some safety going in and out. And there you go. That took me literally about 15 minutes to do that. And the cool thing is because this handle and the new one down here has the same hole placement. That helps out a lot. So if you have a handle that is similar to this one on your RV and you want to add the one that looks, has this extended handle, that they have the exact same hole placement, other than you have this extra hole on the outer edge. So, oh shoot, just stuck my finger in the sealant. Whoopsie. So yeah, so there you go, man. Sealant, I got the whole works done. It's literally 15 minutes, I think is what it took. Nothing crazy because, like I said, once I took this one off and drilled it on, is it. The other one already, same screws, you know, they're made by the same manufacturer. So that's what's cool about it. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for stopping by, checking out this improvement to the new camper, which, like I said, is the new handle. Don't forget to check out the other video for the installation if this is something you want to do. So I appreciate you stopping by, and we will catch you probably here in the next one pretty soon because I got more improvements that I want to do, just a few more anyway. So we'll catch you later. All right, see ya. Bye.